Imagine standing at the edge of your own aspirations, looking inward instead of outward. The greatest competition you will ever face is the battle within yourself. It's a journey of self-discovery, where each step forward is a testament to your resilience and determination. The external world is filled with distractions and comparisons, but true progress is about refining your own potential and pushing your limits. As you embark on this voyage of self-competition, visualize your goals like a distant horizon beckoning you to reach for them. Every day unfolds new opportunities to become a better version of yourself. Acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses, for they both play pivotal roles in shaping your experience. Embrace failures as learning moments rather than setbacks. Each stumble is an invitation to rise, pushing you to embrace growth and ignite the fire within. In this journey, self-awareness becomes your guiding star. Set personal benchmarks, measuring your progress against who you were yesterday rather than against the achievements of others. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude for every tiny step forward. Celebrate them as victories and let them fuel your ambition. Remember, the only competition that truly matters is the one that propels you to surpass your own expectations and reach for heights you once deemed unreachable. Create a vision board filled with your dreams and let it serve as a daily reminder of the path you're forging. Each day offers a new canvas, allowing you to paint a picture of your aspirations, one stroke at a time. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration, engaging with mentors and fellow dreamers who uplift and challenge you to stretch your limits. As you navigate this competitive landscape of self-improvement, be patient and kind to yourself. Understand that progress is not always linear. It may ebb and flow like the tides. What matters is your willingness to keep pushing, to keep striving for more. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Let it be filled with encouragement rather than self-doubt. Embrace the truth that every challenge you face is a stepping stone toward greatness. In the race of self-competition, you are not just the runner. You are the course, the finish line, and the victory itself. Stand tall, compete fiercely against your former self, and revel in the extraordinary journey of becoming.